Hello, this is Bernie Pilobelio. Nice to know you. Yeah. Actually, this is a webcam that allowed us to broadcast ourselves, and I just try this one if this work out. By the way, please add me my Facebook email address, which is pelobilio.bernie@yahoo.com, and I'd like to be friend of yours. Thank you. See you.